Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Friday, 2023, July 14. Okay, today's sessions will be investing moments. The title would be investing moments. So first of all, we go through the disclaimer. These sessions is for the educational purposes. It's not buying or selling call for the viewer or investors. So let's move ahead for the today's sessions. So first of all, I would need to touch about the Telegram channels. Investors can feel free to join in for the Telegram channel open to the public. So you can search in the Telegram channels Money Steps. So you can join in for the market updates and market news daily basics. Okay. Overnight, yesterday, after the market closing in the Hong Kong market, I did mention something about the Hong Kong. So say Hong Kong is now doing great, expecting to be better and better. The trend reversal is feeling with momentum. Joining into the Hong Kong stock will be a great choice for now. That's why I say investing moment. So we can look into Alibaba as well if you are investing to the Hong Kong market. So I would say Alibaba is well known to everyone. So you can investing into Hong Kong stock or the US stocks, either one. So if you want to go for the minimum quantity, 1 unit will be US listing Baba. And so Alibaba has been dropping from the 300 over 300s in the in the shares price. And now already dropping below the $100. So you would say this is a investing opportunities for the investors. So you can see that the trending is very well bottoming and sideways rangings. So this one is very good sessions for the investings. So the next thing for today would be I would touch about the US markets. US market overnight is doing very well on the Nasdaq, continuously driving higher. We zoom in a little bit, so we can Nasdaq driving higher. US S&P 500, Dow Jones, all three index is driving higher, which is a very good sentiment to us. We look into the local market, FBM, KLCI. How is the trending right now? Oops. Udah. So this one is the index for the KLCI. We can see the trending. It's managed to break the Dow trend line over last 2 days. Although it pulled back yesterday, but still positive for the KLCI local market as well. I would say it's very good opportunity to investing into the current market sentiment. So we look at the stocks picked by the various of the research house. First one will be the Sunview. So we see the Sunview. Okay, this one is picked by the M+. They are mentioning to break out at 94 cents, which overnight already broken. It's closing at 955 level. So their target would be 985 followed by 1 ringgit. With a stop loss level 8.5. So this one is uptrending, consider okay. Low risk. Infotech. So Infotech, they mentioned buying above 7.5 right over here. The lines yesterday closing 7.5. So let's say today is open by 80 cents, then you can buy in. Or you can place order for the buy stop limit order using Maybank platform with a stop loss level 755 and the target 85 and 875. So we zoom out a little bit, see how is the trending for this import line. So we can draw some trend line over here. So we can draw some trend line over here, see whether these stocks can break up this level or not. So this one is considered a downtrend, so we draw another trend right here. So I would say we need to fill in with momentum to break these lines, so the stock can move higher. Okay, the next thing will be the IHB stock picks, which is YXPM. So precious metals, and their breakout level is 26.5. Yesterday already breakout, closing at 27.5. So their stop loss level is 25 cents, followed by target 29.5 and 33.5. This one is playing for the swing trading. It's all on the uptrend right over here, short terms. Next one will be the ECMO. So so this one is downtrending. Obviously it's downtrending. Newly listing companies, we need to draw some line. So we need to see whether can it break through this downtrend line or not. So yesterday it come with a down breakout with a volume over here. So I would say consider short-term trading with a stop loss level 55 cents with a target 6.3 and 6.8. Okay, 8 more for short-term trading only. Yeah. So the next one will be the Maybank Investment Bank stock picks by QES. The overnight closing 61 cents. Stop loss level around 5.7, right? Yes, 5.7, and the target 6.6, followed by 7.1 half. So they are playing for the swing as well. You can draw some line here. Downtrend line is here. Okay, so we can draw another short-term uptrend line here. So okay, with the volume pick, consider quite okay lah. The next one, Dagang Exchange. Okay, so we zoom in. So overnight is 47 cents. I'm not being convinced for these stock picks because the volume is not coming in. So they are picking for this one is purely, I believe, purely buying at the support level. But the support is 45 cents, is too close for the cut loss. I'm not convinced for these topics. Anyhow, if you like it, the target price will be 505 and 5.3 The next one will be MRCB. MRCB is, I would say this one is very good for investment at this moment by looking at the trending. So overnight closing 3.3, their stop loss level is 3.2, the red color here, and the target is 3.6, followed by another target is 3.9. So we zoom out a little bit to have a look on the MRCB. So you can see the downtrend line has been quite some while ago. You can see the major downtrend line is very fierce, right? So it's sideways trending here and break down. So I would say we zoom in a little bit. The red color and the white color line consider as a strong resistance. You need to stand above it to move higher. Okay. So the next one will be by UOB, MMSB. MMSB, we look at technical buy to break out at 555. So haven't break yet because overnight closing 5.2. So their stop loss only you entry, then you only monitor for the stop loss level 4.9. So definitely the stop loss level is more than 10%. I would not encourage for the stop loss level is too wide with a target of 6.1 and 6.6 cents. Okay, the next one will be the Pentec Group Holding. So we see overnight closing at 7.55. Their stop loss is 7.15, and then followed by the target 84 cents. Then second target 8.9. So we can see this one we can draw some line here. Okay, it's major on the uptrend but short term on the downtrend. We see whether can it break this level. Oh, it's already broken. Yes, yesterday. Consider this one with volume. You can trade for it for the short term. Yes. Binacom. Okay, this one overnight closing 27 cents with a stop loss 22 cent half. This is too large. Hey brother, this is too large, you know. It's more than how many percent? 20%, right? With a target 3.5 and 3.55. This one definitely is very bad setup for the stock picking. Sorry to say it. This is a very bad setup for the trading plan. Okay, so I would say this one is a very good opportunity to investing into Hong Kong and Malaysia markets. Let's have a look on the Hong Kong index. Hong Kong index, as per I earlier on, the starting areas are already mentioned on these stocks, this index. So they are building up for the right shoulder at this moment, I would say. So this one is left shoulder and head, and the right shoulder is right here. So we are entering into the market on the right shoulder, so we are waiting for the booming. So we enter for this round, I would say is very good chance for the investing moments. The chances you can make money would be huge. So thinking of risks before you go for the reward. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.